Hello, I'm Maritza Rivas, and this opportunity I'm going to talk about discourse analysis. First of all, I will share you what is discourse analysis. Well, discourse analysis is a research method for studying written or spoken language in relation to its social context, and it aims to understand how language is used in real-life situations. And what is discourse analysis used for? To examine how meaning is created in different social contexts. And we have within the materials that suitable for discourse analysis include books, newspapers, marketing materials, business and government documents, websites, forums, social media posts and comments, etc. And then we have the discourse analysis is characterized by its focus on the social aspects of communication and the ways people use language to achieve a specific effect. For example, when you to build trust, to create doubt, to evoke emotions, or to manage conflict. And how to conduct discourse analysis. There are many different approaches and techniques that you can use to conduct discourse analysis, and there are some steps as well. And the step number 1 is defines the research question and select the content of analysis. It refers when you have developed your question, select a range of material that is appropriate to answer it. Step number 2 is gather information and theory on the context. It refers gather factual details of when and where the content was created, who the author is, who published it, etc. The step number 3 is analyze the content for themes and parents. This step involves closely examining various elements of the material, such as words, sentences, paragraphs, and overall structure, and relating them to attributes, themes, and parents relevant to your research question. Step number 4. Review your result and draw conclusions. Here you will consider your analysis in relation to the broader context that you established earlier to draw conclusions that answer your research questions. Thank you for your attention.